Hey, this is Brett, and this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Limited S Appearance Group Hybrid is stock number 13685Z. I'm here at Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, your new and used minivan headquarters. This 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid has the 3.6-liter V6 engine, which is paired up with the hybrid technology, and it's actually going to get you 82 miles per gallon equivalent, city and highway, and it's going to give you 31 miles of electric driving alone. So that's pretty cool, and it also has 30 miles per gallon city and highway with just the gas engine. This one has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and it is 100% ready to go. I'm going to go all the way around in this video, inside, start it up, take a look under the hood, give you all the information that I can on this particular Pacifica. Granite crystal's the color, and I shoot all my videos in 4K, so if you have HD capabilities, turn them on now, because it is your best way to check out the quality, condition options, and cleanliness of the van before seeing it in person. Front bumper and lower valence area, excellent condition. The hood is in excellent shape. I didn't see any dents, I didn't see any dings, I didn't see any corrosion on there. Looks really good. You get the LED running lights, LED headlamps, and the LED fog lamps down there. We're going to turn all those on at the end of the video so you can see how nice and bright they all are. Passenger side front fender, no major dents or dings on there, and the passenger side wheel is in excellent condition. No scuffs or scrapes. Now, if you like the video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/summitauto. Michelin Premier AS tires. These are 235/60 R18s, and they have right around half the tread left on them. As you go down this side of this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Limited Hybrid with the S Appearance Group, take note of how clean that body is, how reflective and mirror-like that paint is. I take these HD videos, so if you are far away or even if you're close by and you just cannot make the trip down, but you're still interested in purchasing the vehicle, you can see the van, hear the van, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're looking at before you even get here. So when you do get here, there's absolutely no surprises, and you can make a smart and informed buying decision before making the trip. And if this video helps you make that buying decision, let your salesman know that you saw the video, was helpful, and that Brett sent you. Back wheels in excellent shape, and the back tires have just as much tread as the front tires. Four-wheel disc brakes on here. Coming around to the back, you get the hybrid lettering there, rear bumper parking sensors, no major dents, dings, or cracks on there, looks really good. And the rear gate is in excellent condition as well. You also get those LED lights that go all the way across. This is a power lift gate. That works nicely. So these third row seats actually do fold down completely flat, just like the old, just like every other Pacifica. And to do that, you just follow the numbers, pull 1, pull 2, and the seat will go down nice and flat like so. To get it back up, all you got to do is kind of give it a little flip, and you're all set to go. And the rear gate, press that button, it'll beep at you 3 times, and then it'll begin its descent. And that works nicely. Coming down the driver's side, rear quarter looks really good. Didn't see any major dents or dings in there. This back wheel's in excellent shape as well. No scuffs or scrapes. And down the rest of this side of the van, doors look really good. Paint is very shiny and reflective. This is where you plug in your electric charger. And this front wheel is in excellent shape as well. Inside, the limited package gives you the black leather interior with the gray piping. You also get the S stitched into the backrest, part of that S Appearance Group. No rips or tears on the seat. Smells very clean inside this van. I don't think it's ever been smoked in. And you get factory floor mats, auto headlamps, tilt telescopic steering wheel, power windows, locks, and mirrors. And these mirrors do power fold in. I always like showing both sides so that you know that both sides are working properly. Take a quick look at the back seats. Second row captain's chairs. Now these seats can be removed. They do not store into the floor, but they do come out of the vehicle, so it's really not that hard to do. I'm not going to do it here because I have a gimbal and it's hard to lift and hold the gimbal at the same time. Anyways, third row seats, excellent condition. Note that you do get the latch child safety system back there, which is nice. This one also has the side window shades that you can see there for the back seats and the front seats. Carpeting's in really nice, clean condition. And you can see that this seat does adjust, then locks into place. Get a factory floor mat back here, and once again, very nice and clean. You also have rear air controls up there. Get this door closed, press that button, and there you go. We'll hop inside, check out the miles, the radio, and everything that this van has to offer on the interior. See that this one has 19,003 miles on it. You get the nice 7-inch LCD display on there, and you get the digital speedometer. Instrument cluster is very nice and clean. Of course, you can see your charge, your power percentage on that side. That's what's different on the hybrid system. And then you get your battery charge range on the battery. Range for total is all there as well. Comes with the leather wrapped steering wheel, adaptive cruise controls and normal cruise controls on the right, Bluetooth and information center controls on the left. And this is a heated steering wheel as well. This one comes with the Uconnect 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 radio. You get the factory navigation system that you can see right there, and also has AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio capabilities on here, as well as AUX and Bluetooth. You can do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay on here as well. You have all your different apps on here, which you can see right there. And then this is also where your backup camera shows up. You get lane departure warning, stability control, climate, volume, tune controls, more tactile ones. This is a continuously variable transmission in this vehicle, and there's your parking brake. Down here you get 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and an aux jack, as well as a wireless cell phone charge pad. Keyless entry, remote start, power liftgate buttons, and side door buttons on the key fob, passenger side floor mat, and seat. Excellent condition, no rips or tears. Once again, I don't think this vehicle has ever been smoked in. And the headliner's in really nice, clean condition as well. You do get map lights up there, rear gate and door controls as well, SOS and assist buttons in the mirror, and home link buttons for your garage door security systems and lighting systems. We'll start it up and take a look at all those LED lights and take a look under the hood as well. Starts right up, no check engine lights or anything like that. One thing to note as well, you also have blind spot monitoring in those heated mirrors. I would personally like to thank you for checking out the video today, and hopefully from this HD video you've been able to verify the quality, condition, options, and of course cleanliness of this van all the way around, inside and out. All those LED lights are working nicely and are very bright. Under the hood we have the 3.6 liter V6 engine with the hybrid technology. Once again, 82 miles per gallon equivalent on this vehicle. Engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. And once again, this vehicle has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and it is 100% ready to go. There is the emissions sticker. And I just wanted to show you one more thing inside, show you that that camera system is working properly here. So there's your backup camera that is working nicely. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll take a look actually at those back lights because they look great as well. Really nice and clean vehicle. I would highly recommend this van from a quality and condition and optioned out standpoint. And to see more pictures of this van or one of our other 550 new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, Wranglers, you name it, we got to go to that website right there, summitauto.com. Full pictures and descriptions of every single vehicle, all at summitauto.com. And if you'd like to check out more HD videos, you can go to youtube.com/summitauto. Click the bell notifications. You'll get updates on the videos I do each and every day, as well as having access to one of the largest catalogs of vehicle walkarounds on YouTube. In fact, in a second, you will see a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel in the upper left, a link to more Pacifica videos I've done in the upper right, link to this vehicle on our website in the lower left, and a link to one of our latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those, check us out, and we're super excited to help you with this ultra clean 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited S Appearance Group in Granite Crystal Metallic. Thanks again for checking out the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share on the YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks again.